Hello everyone, welcome to the review channel. I'm just kidding. Welcome to the review channel, and today I'm going to show you or teach you how you can wash your hands and disinfect them at the same time. Yes, that is possible. Doesn't matter who tells you, no, you're not. You need to wash your hands first and then you need to add the hand sanitizer, blah, 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 blah. But no, yes, you can wash your hands and disinfect them at the same time. So all you need is the antibacterial hand wash or any hand wash, the surgical spirit, like Google says, surgical, and then the the antibacterial hand sanitizer, which you can, this one is from Boots, that is in the UK. That's where I am based. So okay, so what you need to do is get the hand wash, fill it in here. I already have mine ready, so just fill it through here, and then with the lid of the surgical spirit or rubbing alcohol, you fill in the lid and you add here. That's all you need to do. Or if you have the hand sanitizer, antibacterial hand sanitizer, you put like a small quantity, a small amount of the liquid here, of the gel here, through here, more or less here. So this is how you wash your hands and disinfect them at the same time. So you can, after that, dry them with a towel or a hand towel or a paper hand towel. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends. Never forget that, and subscribe to the channel, and share it with your pets, with your cat, dog, hamster. It doesn't matter. Just get them a computer, teach them how to use the computer, and watch my videos. Okay, don't wash, obviously, watch them. Watch my videos, and I see you on the next one.